Hello, my name is Ryan Powell, and today's lesson we're going to be talking about working with multiple objects within the same class and main method. So what we've got right now is we've got a world W, a turtle Tom, and we've set Tom's pen to be in the up position, and we've moved him to the 150 by 300 coordinate position. So we can go ahead and compile and run this, and there we go. Now let's go ahead and create another turtle object, and we'll call this one Dick. Compile and run, and there we go. We've now got two turtles in the same world. Now, the same way that we say tom.penUp or tom.moveTo, we can also call methods for Dick the same way. We just prefix it with the object name, which happens to be Dick. We'll say pen up for now. Let's do something so we know that this actually worked, and we'll say Dick.forward by 100 pixels. So we can go ahead and compile this, run it. There we go. Dick used to be here, now he's moved up. So the way that we've been calling methods is we prefix it with the object name of the method that we are calling, period, and then the method. So following this same logic, we can assign variable values. So I'm going to create two int variables called x position and y position, x pos, y pos. Now I'm going to go ahead and assign these by calling some turtle methods. So when we scroll over to our simple turtle documentation, we can see that there's two methods here in particular called getXpos and getYpos. Both of these return ints that we can use to assign the value of our integer variables. So I'm going to call these methods on the Tom object to get Tom's current location. We do that by calling tom.getXpos for his x coordinate and tom.getYpos for his y coordinate. We compile and it worked okay. So now what we'll do is we'll assign these same x and y coordinates to Dick so that they will both be on the exact same coordinate. Now we can scroll over here to find our moveTo method, which takes an int x and an int y coordinate and moves the turtle to that location. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move Dick to Tom's location by calling the moveTo method, and instead of putting straight int values as this suggests, we're going to pass in int variables. So xpos and ypos. Let's compile. It seemed to work. Let's run it. Okay, so it worked. It moved Dick to the same location as Tom. Now we can, just to show that Tom is still there, we'll add a +10 to the x position. So Dick should be just to the right of Tom. And there we go, they're both there. That concludes today's tutorial. Just as a review of what we've learned today, you can use as many objects of the same class as your heart desires just as long as you name them different names and you refer to them by their name when you call their method. So that's been today's tutorial. I hope you've learned something. My name's Ryan Powell. Have a great day.